everybody, this is Sherry with CPR, Craft, Pray, Repeat, and I'm back with another on-the-go card craft kit. And if you are a dog lover, this kit is going to speak to you. And this is another kit by Knitwick Collections, and it's called WOOF. And I'm going to start by sharing the papers with you. So here's the first one, and it has the cutest things on it. It says, wag till you knock something over, sleep whenever you get the chance, smile with your whole body, bark as if no one can hear you, love with your entire heart, stay true to the people who love you, chase after your dreams, dig every single morning, and smile with your whole body. And then it just repeats, and it is so cute. I love it. So there's that one. And then the next one is the same color background with little dog bones on it. I'm going to tighten you in here just a tiny bit so you can get a better look at them. And then we've got some cream colored background with different colored dog bones. I really like this one. It says Live, Love, Woof. True friend. What else does it say? Dogs fill my heart. That's what it says. I'm sorry. It's hard for me to read it because I can't get close enough. So it's really cute. I absolutely love it. Then we've got another, just a plaid that matches the browns. Really cute. And we've got a pattern that says, I love my dog, paw prints on my heart, my true friend, and then it's got different little patterns in between. Really cute. Then we've got a houndstooth pattern. Totally adorable. We've got this one that has the little hearts with the paw prints. This one that has the same sayings as the other one, only in a different color. And then we've got just a polka dot pattern type paper. Totally adorable papers. Absolutely love the little sayings. So let's see what we're going to start with. We're going to start with this. And this is that Cottage Cuts die that I used. It's called Large Confectionery Die. And it's got, I did it on a craft colored paper, and it's got the little puppy and another little puppy. Look how cute. This reminds me of Jen Callie 78. This reminds me of Bigelow. And this is like a basset hound, which I had one when I was a kid, and his name was Pork Chops, and I absolutely loved him. And then another cute little doggy. Then we've got some real simple 3x3 cards. And I've found that I use 3x3 cards quite a bit, more than I thought I would. Especially when it comes to sending out, you know, these little Happy Mail packages. One, I am forever forgetting to put in a card. And so it's nice to already have these made up, because then I can remember to just write a quick note and toss it in there. This is one of my favorites. It says Beware of Dog Kisses. Then we've got Dogs are not our whole life, but they make our lives whole. I love that. And a little paw print. And then Dogs Never Lie About Love. And then there's also, over here, I've just got little craft envelopes for the 3x3 cards to all go in. So that's something that's going to come in this kit. Then I made what I call mini cards. I haven't made them in a while. And they are, if you cut a A2 size card and you just cut it in half, and so you have the front panel, that would be the size of this card. And so I did out of the paper, I made envelopes on my Cricut, and each of the insides have this for your little card for you to write your note on the back. It says, some of my best friends are furry. And I love it. Absolutely love it. And I've got, they all are the same on the inside, but they're different colored envelopes. So we've got this one with that writing on it. Then we've got this one with the little doggy tags. And we've got the doggy bones. And then the heart with the paw prints. The print, or the one with the little sayings and the rectangles. And then just the little polka dotted print. But once I got started making them, I was having so much fun. And I was able to print a sheet of these out and then just cut them out. So it really worked well, and I was able to make several. I think there's 6 here. So somebody will have a nice amount of cards to send out in Happy Mail and things like that they do with this. I made 3 different Memory Decks cards. I put 110-pound cardstock on the back, and then there are 3 different cardstocks on the front, and each one has a different topper, so you can pick and choose. And then of course you'll be able to use some of the die cuts to decorate it up. And on this one we've got 3 different little hearts, really cute. And then several different little tags. Some of them have the circles cut out, so like a dog tag would, and that one says, you had me at WOOF. I love my dog. And that comes in a couple different colors. These are meant to, I think, kind of look like they're metal. And I tried to do a couple of each so that you could have them. This one is just the circle, and you can print whatever, or put a sentiment on the inside, and it's got little paw prints here. And it comes in that design, and that design. Then we've got this one just a little different with a collar on the inside. Some more of the same. And then this one says, I like this one. It says, live, love, woof. And so, and like I said, anybody who has fur babies will absolutely love this kit. And I will make sure, like I said, that I link it, because I want to make sure you guys can find this kit to print out and cut out whatever you want. These are some coin envelopes that I'm going to share with you next. And these were made on my Cricut. And I did these ones with white cardstock. I didn't, these ones I did on the craft. And you can actually see the difference here with the craft and the white. And I think they're both adorable. Just, excuse me, just 2 different looks, in my opinion. And so here's that's Bigelow. I'm just going to call that Bigelow. And there's Pork Chops. Now he was mine. And then there's a little weenie dog. And then they all look like this on the back. And they are just coin envelopes that I cut out on my Cricut. But again, you can cut out something very similar on your envelope punch board. Super easy to do. Of course, I've added some 110-pound Recollections A2 size card bases. And I made a set of fry boxes in different colors, and I did them so that they're double-sided. And I messed one up because I wasn't paying attention, so I kept it so I could share it with you. So this is what it looks like. It's got perforated lines, so it scores super easy. And then of course here was this, it's double-sided. I made sure each of the papers are double-sided, and there are 3 different ones in this pack. So you're able to make this fry box right here, which is super cute. And I mean, it's just the perfect size to put a little treat bag down in there. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. So I kept this so I could show you what this will cut out as. And like I said, there are 3 of them there. And this is from my scrap chick, so I used that. Okay, I'm going to move those to the side a little bit so I can just share some really simple tags that I cut out, and they're in different shapes. We've got a heart and a circle, and these are from my dies, and I really don't, you know, once I use them, I put them away, and I apologize. If you want to know what they are, I'll look for them, but you know, just the whole point of making these kits is to use what you have, and you know, to encourage us to get out our dies, make these kits to take with us, to share with friends. So these are the small ones, and then here are the larger ones. And so you've got the scalloped circle, the scalloped heart, and the scalloped square, and they come in 3 different colors for you, so you have choices and can do, you know, these however you want. And that's what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to give you everything you need to make your own goodies and treats and cards, and then, you know, with the extra papers, because I do try to send, you know, I send 5 card bases, but I try to send 20 sheets of paper, so there's all kinds of things that you can do. And then I have this, and I wanted to share this. This is just a little burlap bag that I got from BB Craft. This is also one of their garment pens from BB Craft. And then I took 2 of the circles and glued them together. Now, if this was something I was going to put on the side of, say, a traveler's notebook or something that someone would carry with them, you know, you could even carry it on, or, you know, put it on your keychain or whatever. I would laminate this. But I love it. It says, "Live, Love, Woof, and Dogs Fill My Heart." And you just open it up. And I put some goodies in here. So let's see what we got. We've got some bling. Then I've got 4 different colors of twine. There's a yard of each color that go with the colors that are in the projects. We've got like a teal, a brown, a blue, and then a gray. So really cute. Then I made a sequins mix that has the teal and the brown and the gray with some seed beads and things like that in there. And I love that the teal just kinds of sparkles and really adds a lot to it. And then I put these in there, which also match. Really pretty. And I thought if you wanted, you could add them to the sequins mix, but I wanted to leave that up to whoever gets this kit to determine if they want to add these little balls to the sequins mix. So I put them separately. And all of these little goodies come inside this brown little bag from BB Craft. That, of course, the brown bag matches all of the colors of the doggies and things like that, along with their pin. And I will link those in the description box for you. Here is the last. And this is the last. This is the same size envelope as the mini cards. So it's the same size. I just, for the front, put that on the front of it and used it to store my die cut pieces in to share with you guys. Why I love you so much. First, I stole your heart. Then I stole your bed. Which, if you have a dog, we all know that's true. And then friends forever. F-U-R. Forever. Friends forever. So I really thought that was cute. And loved all the little sentiments that came with it. So these would be great to add to your cards. Oh, I missed one, or a couple. Hold on, I missed a couple. There's another of why I love you so much. And then this one says, I love you, with the puppy paw print for the heart. And so those are all there. So you've got several to pick from for sentiments for your cards. Really cute. Here we go, guys. You are going to flip. Let me try to scoot stuff out of the way so you can see. Look at him. Oh my gosh, I love it. This reminds me of Sybil's dog, Sybil B, here on YouTube. This reminds me of her dog when it was a puppy. And the only thing I was so bummed was that I looked for a Honey Marie and there was no Honey Marie. I'm sorry, Dee, I'm sorry. And that one I love. It says, beware of dog kisses. Dogs are not our whole life, but they make our lives whole. That looks like a Great Dane. And here's Bigelow. So cute. I love it. And then here is the same design that's on the envelope. And it's all cut out for you so that you can use it on whatever you want. Then we've got pork chops there. And a little doggy bone. Really cute. And I'm thinking he's like a pug. I'm not sure. Can't quite make him out. So he could be whoever he wants to be. And then we've got another little cutie here with his tail up in the air. And here's our weenie dog. My cousin used to have weenie dogs when we were kids. She named them Minnie and Mickey. She had a boy and a girl. And now my other cousin has weenie dogs. Apparently I'm the odd man out in our family, because now all my dogs are big dogs. And then this is the last one right there. And he's like laying down, so you're looking at him. You see his little booty right there and his little paws there. He just looks so sweet and so sad all at the same time. I love it. This is another great kit from Knitwick Collections. And I will be sending this out in the next week or so to someone, and I just wanted to share it with everyone before I did. It's really encouraging me to use my dies and things like that, and I am absolutely loving doing this, and I've really enjoyed sending them out. And this is my first time adding memory decks cards. So I hope that someone will like that. And I had somebody recommend sending out a sequence mix, so I went ahead and added that in there. So I really appreciate those of you who have left ideas of what I could add to the kits to make them better, because I am listening, and if I have it or can get it, I'm trying to add them. And I had so much fun making this kit. I thought of Dee from Elegant Embellishments, and I thought of Sybil, and I prayed for you, Sybil, and I want you to know that you are definitely in my prayers. I thought of Jen and Bigelow. I mean, just, I don't know, I know how much y'all love your fur babies like I love mine. And so, I mean, it just made me think of a lot of people, and made me stop for a minute and pray for each of them, and so I've really enjoyed making and playing with this kit. And I will link it for you. Like I said, if you have any questions, please leave them below. If you have any other ideas of things I could add to the kit, definitely leave those. I appreciate it. And have been trying to listen and add them to the kit, because they've all been great suggestions. Alright, everybody, I hope that you like this video, and if you do, please give it a thumbs up. Remember to practice your CPR, craft, pray, repeat. Thanks for visiting me today, and happy crafting. Love you all. Bye.